One interesting fact about birds is that one of them have ability to fly backward. Birds like pigeons and hummingbirds can use their wings to fly in bursts, a flight pattern known as a backward flight, which is much less common than toward flight. For example, you may know that birds such as ptarmigans have the ability to change the color. By changing the angle of light, their feather colors can shift from white to gray and even dark brown. Additionally, some birds, like a lyrebird, are capable of mimicking human and animal sound.